Hello guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. And today what I'm going to show you is how to change your hood struts on any vehicle. For most vehicle it should be the same process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the bonnet first, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got a lot of car how-to DIY videos. This is one of my project vehicles. The first thing you'll need to do is you will have a little slot right here. We'll get a little closer. Okay, and you need to put a flathead screwdriver in here a few times to get it out properly. There we go. We have stuck a screwdriver down there now, and then just pull back. You actually need two hands for this. There you go. So it is just as simple as pulling this clip right here, and the same goes for the bottom as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this clip out like so, and there you go. So that's your old ones. You don't need it anymore. So we'll leave that one aside. Now, this one is 220 Newton meters. So as you can see here, it says 220. So you need to make sure that the ones you're buying is within spec. Now, the ones I got is 165 Newton meters, but the manufacturer says that it will fit this vehicle. So you should have no issues there. So the ones I've gone for is a caliber strut, which is also quite a good strut to buy. Alright, so I'm going to take the strut out of the packet right now. And this is the CSS122. This is for a Toyota Camry, but you can use it for other vehicles, but not this specific one. You will need to cross-reference the part number of your vehicle to this one. Like this particular one will fit this car. So it's as simple as pushing this in here, like so. You don't need to actually pull these clips out. You'll be able to just do them manually, like so. Pull the bonnet down a bit more, and in there, and they snap on just as easy as that. Now we're going to let go of the bonnet, and you can see that it's already holding the bonnet by itself, but you don't want to do that for a very long time. So I'm going to do this side now. All right, and that's the one. This is the gas charge support strut, and this is CSS122, which will fit for a 2006 to 2012 Toyota Camry. Now you can actually cross-reference whatever part numbers that you have on your vehicle to this part number, and then you'll see which one actually suits your car. Now, if you go to AutoZone or your local auto parts shop, you just need to give them your car registration plate number, and away you go. They'll give you the proper parts that suits your car. So same thing over here. You got this ball on socket thing. So the ball goes into the socket, like so, and push it in, like so. And the next one, ball on socket again. I know it's funny, ball on socket, but all right. So, and we go like so. And there you go. That's the job done. Now the bonnet can hold up nicely, and it will no longer fall and whack you in your head. It's really worth the money spending on even aftermarket bonnet struts, because you getting whacked to the head by this one is just not worth it, and it'll be quite expensive hospital bill. So as you can see, it can hold the bonnet like this, and when you open it, it opens up just perfectly. So I've got 165 Newton meters on either side, which is 330 Newton meters if my maths is right, and I had 440 across the two before. But as long as the manufacturer says that it will fit, then you should be fine. Alright guys, I hope this video has been useful and informative. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I do have a lot of car how-to DIY videos, and this is actually my project car. So make sure to check how the project car went on. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.